Hello, I am Mary, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Burn Boost before you actually buy that product. I'd also have two very important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to say. The first thing you need to know about Burn Boost is be careful with the website. You will buy the product because Burn Boost is only sold on the official website. And to help you, I left the link of the official website here below in the description of this video for you to access safely. Now I'll tell you what Burn Boost is and if it actually works. Burn Boost is a weight loss supplement that works a lot and has helped many people. After many laboratory tests, researchers have identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients, which will act by accelerating your metabolism so you can lose weight quickly and healthily. The Burn Boost will eliminate all your localized fats, mainly in the belly. Arms and legs will reduce your appetite, detox your body, eliminate fluid retention. Detoxify your body gives you more energy for your day-to-day and improves your overall health. So yes, you can trust this product even. There are many people having great results with Burn Boost, and you can get results too. However, you need to keep in mind that each body reacts in a unique way. That's a little obvious, but I'm saying this so you won't be realistic about your treatment and expectations. Something very important is that Burn Boost has a warranty, and you can actually test the product. And if for some reason you don't like it, they give you back your money. Also, for Burn Boost to work, you need to take the treatment seriously, or else you won't see great results and you'll really get a little frustrated. And the correct way to use Burn Boost is that you will mix a spoon of his into a glass of water and take it in the morning. You will take every day and without interruptions, as this will be essential to your results, and it is important you do a treatment for at least 4 months of use. You can see the initial results right in the first month of use, but most people get better results after 3 months using this product. It is also important to know that Burn Boost is totally natural and has no side effects. If you are thinking of using, can use without fear, because I'm sure you will have a good result with it. Just be careful on the site where you will buy so as not to end up harming your health with counterfeit products to help you. I left here in the description of this video the official website of Burn Boost, guaranteed for you access. I hope I helped you with that information. Bye.